Okay, let's make a bow and arrow. We need to inflate long inflated balloons here for our bow. Approximate size would be like this, with 3 inches allowance at the end, and one an inflated balloon, and two inflated balloons with 4 inches allowance for the arrow. Now let's create first the bow. We need to tie these two ends like this, just like that. Okay, now tie this also here. So we have an instant bow. Okay. Okay, now let's create an arrow. Very easy arrow for this. Create a tulip twist here. Just like that. Create a small bubbles here. Maybe 2 bubbles for this. Put it together. Just like that. And create an ear twist here at the end. So we created an arrow. Okay. Now, just do the same thing here. There you have it. We have 2 arrows and a bow. Okay, let's put it to the test. This one. Fire! Not good. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.